I got my skeleton mounted on my rocking, drunken, pistol shooting pirate. And I tried him out. I'm disappointed. Back to the drawing board. Need to start over, but when I turn this on, it's too shaky. It's too loose. The motor's jumping back and forth. So I guess I can't use a plastic unless I do maybe 100% infill. Don't want to turn that up. So I'm gonna have this bigger motor here. And this motor here, it actually has, what do you call it? Slop in it. It'll turn a little bit even if the motor isn't turning the shaft on it. So this is a windshield motor down here. It's bigger. I'm going to have a metal bracket to hold it in place and maybe block it up so it'll be high enough to hook up to this thing and see if it'll work better. So wish me luck. I had this windshield motor laying around here. I'm going to try it. The only thing is it's kind of hard to attach a shaft to that little shaft output on the motor. It has a slanted spline about 1/4 inch and then has 1/4 inch of threads on it. And I'm going to have to do something to attach that to my lever here I have to make that skeleton move back and forth. So I'll see what I can come up with. Went over to Ace yesterday and I bought this little coupler here, in which has an 8mm thread on it. It'll thread onto this. There. Now, of course, I'll only be able to drive that motor clockwise. If I try and drive it counterclockwise, it's just going to unscrew the coupler. Then I made this 3D printed this arm for this. It has the, I don't know if you can see that there. And it has the same shape there. It'll fit on that coupler. So now I have an arm on that motor, which should be able to pull my skeleton back and forth. Hook this up and give it a try. Finally got my new motor mounted in this box for my rocking, singing, pistol shooting pirate here. It's a windshield wiper motor. I have it mounted in there, and I added that 8mm coupler on there so I can put, so I 3D printed this piece here, slides on that way, and then you put a bolt in here into that coupler, and it will, there it is, you can see it there, it's on there nice and snug. I wish everything was going a little bit faster, but it's coming along. I got my drunken, rocking, pistol shooting, singing pirate. I have the rocking part working pretty good. Took me a while. I had to swap the motor out. I started out using this, trying to use this motor right here. I guess it's for door windows or something, and I had to switch it out for this bigger one here, windshield wiper motor. And so let's give it a try here. See, everything seems to run smooth and not catching anywhere. So there's my pirate. I'll have to get up and back up a little bit so you can see them. I made this little 3D printed this little rocking mechanism that goes between his two hip bones there. The only problem I'm having now is I think the speed controller, the fed on the speed controller is overheating after it runs for a while and it'll stop. So I'm gonna try switching from 12 volts into that. I have a 5 volt power supply back there. I'm gonna try and use it.